Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a spicy cocktail sauce. It will go with other things, like this would be perfectly fine for French fries, but, well, I felt like making a shrimp cocktail. So, first thing we gotta do is, in a bowl, get 1.5 cups of ketchup. Follow that up by 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Hopefully I pronounced that right. And then you want to have about a teaspoon of horseradish. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of chopped celery. 2 teaspoons of chopped green onions, specifically the white part of green onions. Then you want a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon ground mustard, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Then you want to add 2 teaspoons worth of water. And then you want to have 2 big tablespoons of white wine vinegar. White wine vinegar is available in any decently sized grocery store. It's with the vinegar, it's usually on the top shelf. And then you want to grab a whisk and whisk everything till everything is nice and combined. Alright, then you want to fill up our little deli container. By the way, these things are a lifesaver in the kitchen. They're available on Amazon.com. About $15 will get you a 50-pack. Mine, I'm still currently on my original one. I think I've had it for 3 months. Then you, again, pop the lid on top and leave in the fridge for at least an hour. So, let's boil some shrimp. Alright, as you can see here, I've boiled some shrimp up. By the way, pro tip, never get pre-cooked shrimp. Always take the extra time and cook it yourself. Tastes way better. Then we just want to spoon some of our spicy cocktail sauce in a bowl. And that's it. Enjoy your shrimp cocktail. So that's spicy shrimp cocktail. Done.